Hello, Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens and I wanted to talk to you today about egg cooking and how important it is to select the right frying pan. So this is the one that I like. It's approximately 7 to 8 inch diameter, steel handle, riveted on, rubber grip. Love it. That is the perfect egg pan right there, and that's going to give you perfect eggs every time. With a really good pan, you use less oil as well, or butter. It takes very, very little. Salt, pepper, perfect eggs over easy. Perfect eggs over easy with a little bit of pan-fried ham. Of course, gonna have a little bit of fruit with that too. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and you can score the pans right there. Keep cooking and have a great day. Yeah, it's gonna be good.